It's a 2011 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek looking, fuel efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, 8-way driver's seat control, AM/FM XM satellite radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, 3 12-volt power outlets, and front heated leather bucket seats. Consumer Guide explained that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cement its reputation as a good buy in this class. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.